I guess it's not about gazing. I gaze a lot too. But the look.
Not very able to say that she could walk into a situation of maybe with someone else and come back for trying to have a deep position because there's that's not it yet. I'm also focusing on my own time and feelings as well.
No, you're not fucking up your time and feelings. You just don't want people to know exactly what you're up to. But the thing is, the funny thing.
Emmanuel reveals why he can never date Liko Rose. Days after Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye housemate Liko Rose told Big Brother that she felt betrayed by fellow housemate Emmanuel, the latter has revealed why he can never date her. Emmanuel made this known while bearing his mind during a chat with Perrin. According to the model, he is not attracted to Liko Rose and only wants to be her friend. I only want us to be friends. I'm not attracted to her at all, Emmanuel said. Perry in response said Emmanuel should not have made her feel wanted, knowing fully well that he does not love her. This conversation came after Liko Rose confronted Emmanuel to ask him where she stands in his life. Liko Rose had told Biggie during a diary session that she felt betrayed after he put her up as a suspected wild card. Guys, what do you think about Emmanuel and Liko Rose relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment.